contour drawing is a continuous line drawing. You look at both the subject and the paper, moving your pencil over the paper and creating a silhouette of the object. The purpose of contour drawing is to emphasize the mass and volume of the subject rather than detail. The focus is on the outline shape of the subject and not the minor details. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more of my videos. Be sure to ring the bell if you'd like to get notifications when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.